Hey Amalodians, I welcome you to another episode of our one-on-one mentorship with Hammerloaded. In today's video, I'm going to explain market structure and its meaning. What does market structure stand for in market? Whenever you see this market structure, how can you get information from the market? Without the market structure, the word Forex market is useless, because it is the market structure that interprets what the price action is doing. It is the market structure that lets the traders to know who is ruling the market, who is dominating the market for decision making. It is the market structure that allow the trader, that let the trader or inform the trader to know when to trade, to determine the sentiment, whether they are going to sell or they are going to buy. Now let's dive into the meaning of market structure. Market structure is a form of specific pattern flow that market used to pass informations to traders, to know who is dominating the market between the buyers and the sellers. Without the market structure, there is no way traders across the world will be able to interpret the price action to know who is dominating the market between the buyers or the sellers, or to know when the price action is selling or when the price action is buying. So the work of market structure is to let traders to know when the price action is selling or when the price action is buying. So this is the simplest definition of market structure. It's a form of specific pattern flow that markets used to pass informations to traders to know who is dominating the market between the buyers and the seller. Let me increase the font so that you can see very well. It's very simple. That's one of the most simplest definition ever. The work or duty or role of market structure is to let you to know when to sell or when to buy, and also when you are not supposed to take action in the market. Market structure will allow you to know, okay, at this present moment in the market, you are not supposed to trade. You are supposed to wait, exercise patience, or at certain time in the market, you are supposed to buy or you are supposed to sell. So I want you to watch this video back to back. So I don't want the video to be too long, so that you can watch it over and over to understand and also digest this information until it become part and parcel of you. A quick recap: in a nutshell, market structure is a form of specific pattern flow that market use to pass information to traders to know who is dominating the market between the buyers and the sellers. See you in our next episode.